Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, I share valuable content, I share visa sponsorship jobs, and I share important news you need to know about traveling and relocating abroad. Okay, if this sounds like what you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. I promise you will never regret it. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be sharing a lot of visa sponsorship jobs. And I love today's video because I'm not focusing only on nursing and doctor roles, but I covered so many job roles like the IT profession, engineer professions, the HR, and the rest of them. Okay, so I would advise you watch this video till the end. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you my screen now. I've done my best by searching out these visa sponsorship jobs. Okay, I advise you do your part by applying to this job. Okay, and God will do his part by granting you favor at the end. Okay, so let's all do our part. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you my screen and let's see this job, and I will see you after that. So guys, the first on my list is Buba. Okay, I love this organization so well because it's a very massive organization. It has a lot of care homes and hospitals that they are working with. Okay, so I'm already on their job area space, and let's see, these are our job areas. Okay, so they have nursing and theater. For those my subscribers that are nurses, this is a space for you to look at. Care assistants, this is the space for you looking for care assistant in care homes. This is a space for you to look at. Okay, so for those in managerial posts, this is a space for you to look at. Those in clinical management looking, this is a space for you to look at. In care home, okay, so call centers, job opportunity, this is a place for you to look at. This is clinical services, this is dentistry, this is IT. So basically today this video covered for all my subscribers that are asking me to do another video for outside nursing and medicals that I'm always doing. So this is this Buba is a very big organization for you. Financial and accounting, commercial and analytics, and the rest of them. Okay, delivery. See, so people and HR, there are so many of them, so you can see the view jobs under them, which we are going to view in a minute. Okay, so this is legal and risk audits and all that. Okay, so at these jobs are they with visa sponsorship? We will look at it now, but I'm very sure Pupa, this organization, they offer visa sponsorship and they recruit from overseas. Okay, so let's try this IT. Okay, I'm not doing much about nursing. Let me focus on my subscribers that are also in other job roles. Okay, so this is IT space. Okay, and you can read everything about this job here. Okay, so but the most important thing is their recruitment process. You can see what it's all about here. Visit our page and the following on our assessment, adjustment, recruitment scams, international and domestic sponsorship. Okay, so let's click on it here. You click on it and it takes you to this space. Okay, you can see, read everything about them. Okay, and then you can see where he mentioned Buba is a licensed sponsor. Buba is a sponsor license holder which allows us to employ international colleagues in the UK on a skilled worker visa. The skilled worker visa, blah blah blah, just read through. But you can read clearly is a sponsor license holder. Okay, so I keep saying if any organization have a license, they have the right to bring it to the UK. Okay, so all my videos and all the jobs that I put up are all licensed, even the ones I've done previously. They may not advertise that they're offering sponsorship on that particular job vacant or advert, but if they have the license, apply for it. If you're exactly what they are looking for, they will definitely reach out to you. Okay, so don't wait for them to, I'm always saying and emphasizing this. Apply for it, even when they write or not, just apply if they are license holder, sponsor license holder. apply to their jobs. So you can see Buba is a sponsor license holder, which allows us to employ international colleagues in the UK. Okay, so this is for international and domestic sponsorship. It's clearly written, guys, right? It's clearly written. So this is, let's go back and now see. Well, I don't know if you are any of these jobs. You can just maybe, let me check. Okay, let's go to search jobs now. Okay, so let's just go to search jobs and you can see the jobs that they have. Okay, so you can see registered nurse. They're also taking registered nurse. Okay, so you can see, then you go next and you can see all the jobs, and mind you, they have 500 jobs. Okay, so you just type the keywords of what you're doing now, so it can come up and you can apply. Okay, so you can see they have 500 jobs. It's just left for you to be looking activity coordinator and the rest of them. Okay, so registered nurse, they have a lot of registered nurse, senior care assistant, care assistant jobs too. Okay, so many of them is left for you to keep looking at. Okay, so let's also check on the job areas, and let's see view jobs. I'm trying to see. Oh yes, so we are here now. So these are the jobs here. Okay, these are the jobs here. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of time here, but I just want to show my subscribers a lot of view jobs for financial and accounting. It brings you to here. You see, guys, a lot of good jobs here. A lot of good jobs here. A lot for those that are already payroll specialists. You have the experience, you have the qualifications. This is a good job for you to apply. Okay, let's check another one. For those in PR, for those in HR, you can view jobs. Okay, and it shows you, see, so many of them, reward analysts and the rest of them. If you have all it takes to apply for this job, let's please apply. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next one. I think I've stayed here for too long, but I'm happy that I was able to show you all kind of jobs, and both health professions and non-health professional jobs roles. Okay, so the next one is Cancer Research UK. This also, they offers visa sponsorship to, not to all of their roles, but the ones that they cannot find workers locally. Okay, so let's just go straight to their view open opportunities. From time to time, you can stop by here and look at all the opportunities they have. Okay, all right, so you can see lead statistician, retail, all this retail, I would advise you don't open it except if you're already in the UK, because they don't come with any visa sponsorship. They wrote it clearly that they are not. Okay, so but if you see all the senior principal scientist, statistician, some of them come with visa sponsorship. Okay, so let's check on this one, lead statistician. Okay, and it was just posted today. And let's see if they wrote anything about visa sponsorship. Let's see, just go a bit down. Usually they write it up there, but I can't find it there. But let's just go down and see. Okay, so you see, Cancer Research UK can consider visa sponsorship for this vacancy. So if this applies to you, please ensure that this is clearly marked on your application. Okay, so you see, they can consider visa sponsorship. If this is what you want, clearly mark it. So when you are applying, please don't forget to clearly mark it as they instructed. Okay, so the next one that I'm very sure that they will consider visa sponsorship is this one, like this principal statistician. Okay, it was posted 4 days ago, and let's see. Cancer Research UK can consider visa sponsorship for this vacancy. If this applies to you, please ensure that this is clearly marked on your listing. Okay, so you can see that it's clearly written there. Okay, it's clearly written. So, and the closing date is January 31st. So if you're what's the name of, if you're principal statistician, if you're a principal statistician, you can apply for this role. Okay, it comes with visa sponsorship. Forget if you're inside or outside the visa. Outside the UK, they have license. They are able to bring you to the UK if you qualify. Okay, so the third one on my list, I'm trying to rush this up because I've stayed so much on that booba. Okay, this is Newfield Health Careers, and they have 348 jobs. Okay, so this is all the jobs they have. Okay, this is also a licensed employer. I've not had time to fish out because there's always somewhere that they write about there's always somewhere that they write about visa sponsorship. So I'm trying to rush through. This is a personal trainer and all that and all that. Okay, so just type in what you're doing, location you want, and then leave the rest, you apply. Okay, so the name of this one is Newfield Health. Okay, so and the last one on my list, I don't know how to pronounce this, to be honest. Is it AstraZeneca? Okay, so I'm already on their career space. All right, and then you can see visit. This is actually an international organization. That's one thing I love about them. Do they offer sponsorship? Yes, they have license to do so. So please apply to all their jobs. Okay, visit our UK career, the organization in UK, and look at for the job roles that they are looking for. There are so many jobs here. Okay, there are so many jobs here. View all our available opportunities. We can just click here and it takes us to a lot of job here. Okay, this is level 4 procurement. Some of them are apprenticeship jobs, but you can skip that part if you are not in the UK and go straight to, you have to be patient. This is for those that are asking me, biochemist. Please, this is biopharmaceutical scientist job delivery. Okay, so this is it. Let's go to the next page. This is analytics, disease and planning lead. Okay, so I'm intentional about today's job roles because I don't want to focus on nurses. Like my subscribers are always writing on the comment section, can you do a video for this? Can you do a video for this? So today I'm just looking for exactly what they're asking me to do. This is a senior scientist. Okay, this is a product manager. Okay, so I'm very sure somebody told me about public health. If you are the person that told me about public health, please look at that cancer research. Even this one, you can also look at them. You just go to next. So this is not NHS that they are always looking for. Okay, so you can just read through. Head of sourcing and supply, read all the things. Health economics. Okay, and yes again, they are licensed employers and they can recruit you from overseas. So just keep applying for the jobs. If you have every qualifications that they are looking for, no employer in the UK mess or joke with a good employee or someone that is so good that is exactly what they are looking for. They will, even if you like being in the worst part of the world, they will bring you over because they don't joke with talents. They don't joke with, good employees, So this is engineering technician. Okay. So a lot of them. Okay. So you keep going back, and it takes you to other jobs. So the name of this one is this one. So the other. Oh, there's another one here. Smith Nephew is also another top organization in the United Kingdom and they're offering visa sponsorship. Okay, I didn't do a long video. I don't want this video to be long, but they have 359 jobs, guys. 359, and is a big organization, licensed employer. So if you're a data analyst, you can find your job here. And this one is Costa Rica. So they're looking for a data analyst in Costa Rica. and they're looking for trauma associate in Colombia. So it's an international organization, okay? And they're looking for HR in God knows where this country, Tokyo. Oh dear. And they're looking for IT senior engineer in Okta. This is an international organization, okay? Please, I can't beg too much because I've begged enough. This is Smith Nephew, okay? So you can just look at all the jobs that they have, okay? Because they cannot be telling you Costa Rica and expect you to enter bus to that place. They have to give you a visa to travel there if they employ you. So this is sales representative Austin, Texas, okay? You will not go with a bus, you go with a visa. Yes. So, yes, they're offering visa sponsorship and they recruit, okay, from overseas, okay? So these are so many of their jobs. Okay, this sales representative, they are looking for location is region Berlin. Okay, this is region Hamburg. So it's a massive, just make sure that you have the qualification that they are looking for. Okay, and this is Queen Island, Colombia. This is Tokyo. All right, so this is it, guys. This is it. I think I've done enough for today. I've done enough for today. And the name of the hospital organization is Smith Nephew. You can search for all the jobs, 359, and apply to all their jobs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like this video for me. Like this video, subscribe for me, share this video to your loved ones. And thank you. And as usual, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.